how to force the refresh rate to 120 Hz. First you will need V28 installed on your Quest 2 for it to work. First on the Quest go into your settings, then select experimental features, scroll down and flip the switch. Then go inside Quest or use any other method to run ADB command and run each once. Finally, you can go into Oculus Developer HUD under My Devices and then Performance, and you should see the refresh rate being changed. Please note that this will come at an increased load to your GPU and therefore will drain the battery faster.